Hi, agents. This is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group at Compass. I want to talk to you about November. November, in my eyes, is the most important month of the year. It is really when you need to work hard to prepare for the new year and also put your foot on the gas to make sure that you finish the year strong. Waiting till January is just too late, and trying to do this earlier just doesn't always work because you're focused on other things. Number one is run a year-end business audit. Start going through and analyzing the business that you did this year. If possible, compare it to what your goals were for 2025, but look at everything from your total sales, your total GCI, your average percentage of commission on the side of the deal that you were working on, and also how many buyers and how many sellers, what the mix typically is. And then look at your expenses. What have your expenses been for the entire year? Break it down into marketing, dues, software, conventions, events, classes, coaching, all of those things, signs, business cards, photos, everything that you can look at. And you should have that pretty easily. If you're doing a P&L or you're preparing for taxes every year, you should have that information at hand. But make sure you go through with a fine-tooth comb and really analyze that. Then look at your total and decide what your goal is for 2026. Now be serious about it. This shouldn't be a pipe dream. And it also shouldn't be something that is super, super safe, because, we weren't put on this earth to be, just gliding through. We were here to make a difference. And if you're not making a difference for your own family and for others, why are you in this business? I mean, real estate has so much opportunity that I'd love to share with you how to get that done. Number two is to clean and segment your database. Your database is your gold. That is where almost all of your opportunity lies. Now, yes, open houses work great. You may be in line to get leads from some sources. I won't name any of them. I don't subscribe to those large resources. They are very expensive, and you're going to have a much higher conversion rate with the people that you know, your past clients, and the people that you know and your past clients also know, or with repeat business. So staying in touch with those people is really critical. Go through your database, make sure you segment it, make sure you tag them. In some cases, you'll have several tags on a particular client or past client or lead and where it came from. It could also be that you're going to be getting a lot of referrals. The longer that you're in this business and the more accolades and the more groups you belong to, the more that you're going to make relationships with other people and with other agents that can refer you business. And by the way, your referral business from other agents is great, but referral business from past clients is really amazing, because number one, you're not having to pay someone else for that referral. They're really giving a personal endorsement of your business experience and how you treated them when you helped them in the past. Number three is to plan smarter, not just harder. Really do a deep dive into what your Q1 or your first quarter marketing strategy is going to be. Try to evaluate all the things that you did in 2025 and what the results were, what worked for you and what didn't. I'd like to see that if you have the budget for it and you found something that wasn't working for you, maybe take that money and either double down on something that did or try something new. Also, look at how you can use resources like viral marketing, which we're doing here. Video newsletters have been very successful for us, and doing video really helps develop a relationship with your clients and sphere, and even people that you've never met. They feel like they know you, they have an emotional attachment to you. Also, look at how you're going to have a mix of being in touch with your clients and your sphere and your contacts that might be leads. That would be emails, social media. That includes Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, all of the above. So make sure that you are doing that, as well as print material, mailers, whether or not you're going to farm an area, maybe a particular area you live in, or you really want to hone in on, and that you're going to be or already are the expert in that area. And by the way, there are people that can help you do that. So if you need some more information on that, just get in touch with me. Number four is to leverage AI to multiply your impact. AI is really a large language model. That means that whether using Gemini or ChatGPT or one of the other models. It's going to do a lot of the legwork for you, but it is not the be all and end all. You do have to check the results, but it can save you a lot of time and a lot of work, and it can scour all sorts of resources. And to that end, make sure that your information, your profiles, your bios on every single site are congruent, up to date, and that you have everything in there that you want people to know about. Now's not the time to be shy. Don't be a secret agent. Be out there, be active, be social. Make time for strategy, not just hustle. You need to take some downtime to really think about what you're going to do in the new year. Do some business planning. We are actually doing our business planning with our team on Tuesday the 18th. If you need a model to work on that, I'll be glad to host a webinar, a Zoom webinar to help you with your business planning, and then maybe to ramp it up for 2026. So with or without a business plan, business is going to happen. I'd love to see you take a bigger piece of the pie. And so again, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group. Let me help you with your business. Take care.